teachers, and their parents. And a very warm welcome to the Kindergarten Graduation Ceremony 2014-2015. Before we commence the program, we would now request all to please rise to extend our salutations to the UAE and India. We would like to pray to the Lord Almighty, especially today, the graduation day for kindergarten, to keep our children always protected. We have amidst us today our principal ma'am and Mr. Sandeep Vashisht, the activity senior supervisor for all three schools. Thank you so much, sir, for taking the time out to grace this event today. We would now like to request our principal ma'am to kindly come on stage and alight the lamp. Our principal ma'am lighting the lamp. May the light of knowledge enlighten all of us and dispel the darkness that ignorance brings with it. Very apt and very profound, the lighting of the lamp. Standing next to her are our senior supervisor, Mr. Sandeep Vashisht. And holding the candle, Ms. Sushmita. Thank you, ma'am. May we request ma'am to say a few words to the august gathering here today?
Dear parents, my dear colleagues, special guest, Senior Supervisor Mr. Sandeep from our senior school, children from the kindergarten, good morning. Welcome to the kindergarten graduation ceremony. Graduation is a special occasion, culmination of years of hard work, actualization of goals attained, acknowledgement of success achieved. It's only fitting that today we commemorate the road that we have all traveled together these last 2 years. It's been a journey that we started with tentative steps, perhaps, but one that has taken us to remarkable heights. We have encountered some trials and tribulations along the way, soldiered on, and we have come out strong for them. We have experienced exceptional moments, magical moments, created memories that will be fondly remembered in the years to come. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. As we look back over these last 2 years, certainly there was a beginning, and thankfully there was also progress, and yes, undeniably we have been successful, steadfast, resolute, determined. We all kept together. Day by day, we focused on our goal, keeping together and working together. We faced some incredible and memorable moments that we chose to use as stepping stones as we tenaciously pursued our common goals. And what progress we made, as just a few of the following highlights to attest to. As parents and teachers, we do put a lot of time and energy into preparing our children for the future. And rightly so. We do indeed need to equip our children with lifelong skills to prepare them for adulthood. It's our collective responsibility as we guide and mold leaders of tomorrow. For it is on them that the future will have to depend. The end result, ladies and gentlemen, of our coming together, keeping together and working together, as I said, spite of the obstacles that we may have faced along the way, that end result is the graduation day, the class of 2015. Dear parents, I want you to hear from me what the DSIB report from KHDA of 2014-15 has to say about our kindergarten phase students and teachers. Quality of education in the kindergarten, especially English science, it was good. Can we have a round of applause for that? The good quality of curriculum design, learning skills were reflected by good attainment in English, science, mathematics in the kindergarten. Students' personal social development and their behavior, work ethics was very good. In the kindergarten, credit goes to you. Parents, without your support, we wouldn't have achieved that. In the kindergarten, most children could read and write simple words and sentences. They made good progress and understanding, speaking English, even though it was not their first language. Thanks to you once again. Students enjoyed learning, wanted to do their best. They were able to work without any teacher intervention and completed tasks on their own in kindergarten. Now to the teachers. In the kindergarten, most teachers planned imaginatively. They were secure in their knowledge of the curriculum, how young children learn. They made good use of time, resources, ensured opportunities for children to work independently. Big hand for our teachers. Congratulations, Section Supervisor Ms. Mona Khanna and my dear teachers of kindergarten. We are inordinately proud of you all. May your years ahead continue to be characterized by empathy, compassion, objectivity, willingness to take risk. May you always lead by example and work hard, play straight. We wish you everything that you so richly deserve in the years ahead. It's been an honor and a privilege watching your progress and success, my dear kindergarten children. Wish you all the best. Congratulations on your receiving the certificate today. Thank you, dear parents. Thank you, children.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those wonderful words of encouragement. Today is a big day, and it is a momentous occasion in the lives of all of us. Our children, our parents, and our teachers. It is also a time to recognize the outstanding work of our little kindergartners. Parents, you must be indeed very proud today, for we surely are. What you are about to witness today on this stage is a tremendous show of talent, skills, independence, confidence, a culmination of what the children have learned in kindergarten. We begin with our very own percussion band. Yes, the kindergarten's own percussion band. Here come our little percussion band members, smartly dressed, their faces beaming with joy, taking their positions independently. Please give them a big hand as your claps and cheers will keep them motivated. Thank you, children, for that fantastic performance. Indeed, a classic display of coordination and harmony with tambourines, lollipop drums, xylophones, and shakers. Very, very efficient indeed, our very own percussion band, led by team leaders Manya and Prabjeet at the drums. This is just the beginning, dear parents. Our children have planned many more delightful surprises just for you. Now, we have our very own kindergarten choir coming up. A golden rule in kindergarten: tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn. Yes, never stop learning. That's what our choir band is about to tell all of you as they take their positions on the stand. Our very own kindergarten choir.
Never stop learning.
children. That was wonderful and a very apt message for all of us. Never stop learning. We at IIS are proud of the way our children love coming to school and look forward to what they learn. They have learned to love learning, which is apparent and obvious in the video clipping that you are about to see. Learning in kindergarten at the Indian International School evolves through a thematic curriculum based on acknowledging that each child is a unique individual with his own strengths and talents. Our early learning experience provides an education that fosters and develops these characteristics in a safe and supportive environment. A balance of teacher-led and child-initiated activities are delivered within the KG curriculum, which underpins all future learning by supporting, fostering, promoting and developing your child's positive attitudes and dispositions towards learning. The activities that you're about to witness are those that are being done by your children every single day. That's what makes our little children eager learners and happy to come to school. Have a look. Let's first enter the kiddies junction. Well, we've all heard, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Research shows that children must be given ample opportunities to play because it is through play that children learn. The Kiddies Junction provides our KG students with a variety of manipulatives to facilitate their fine motor skills, cognitive, social and lifelong skills. Next are a plethora of physical activities in the indoor play, outdoor, the kiddies gym and of course the Splishity Splash loved by all our children. Are you aware that at least 70 minutes in a day must be dedicated to some form of physical activity? These areas designed in the school are very important areas to facilitate growth and development. Our well-equipped kids gym has a variety of equipment to suit it and specialize the movement of each and every muscle. Science in kindergarten needs to build on children's natural curiosity and sense of wonder. To meet the needs of these inquisitive children, the learning environment must be active, hands-on, child-centered and inquiry-based. All of these are apparent in our sensorial room, catered to these very needs of our children. All this through pleasurable activities that promotes incidental learning and critical thinking skills. Setting the pace and developing a routine of quiet time is the Reading Lounge. This learning center aims to develop language, literacy and communication in our young children. The ambience in this room kindles an interest in books amongst our little children. Art and craft. Students in kindergarten are masters of the moment. They are not self-conscious about what they are doing or creating. The art and craft room not only fosters creativity but helps its students to develop mentally, socially and emotionally. It also fosters creative expression, celebrating the uniqueness and individuality. Last but not the least, music, a very integral part in kindergarten learning. Children learn about a variety of concepts through song, mime, movement, They thoroughly enjoy singing, dancing, and playing to the tunes of very popular nursery rhymes or songs related to concepts. This, dear parents, is the secret of our success. Our success, your children's smiles and happiness when they enter through the school gates. Our reward? Well, it's the happy, beaming smiles on their faces. Is it any wonder then that our KG students love coming to school? We now have our children from KG to A, B, C and D presenting little songs that they prepared just for you, dear parents. Well done, children. But it's not still time to say goodbye. It's now time to pay a tribute to kindergarten through the song Sing. Yes, our kindergartners have learned to sing out strong, to sing out loud. No matter what the challenges they face, they will be singing out strong. Thank you, children, for that outstanding performance. We wish and pray that all of you keep singing cheerfully throughout your lives, as you have done just now. Now for the moment that we all have been waiting for, the time to hand over the certificates. We would now like to request our principal ma'am to kindly come on stage to hand over the certificates. Ma'am. Students of KG to A, being led by the class teacher, Ms. Deepthi Wadhwa. Our children walking smartly, their faces beaming with joy and pride. Principal ma'am being assisted by Assistant Supervisor Kindergarten, Ms. Tanushri Ghosh. and Miss Rubina Tongol. A glorious moment for these children today. Today is glorious. Tomorrow will be another one. You've done us proud today, children. You deserve every bit of this glory. Children holding the certificate so proudly. You've done us proud indeed. A huge round of applause for the students of KG2A. Posing proudly with our principal and their class teacher. Let's hear it for these students once again. Come on, parents. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Dipti, ma'am. Our photographers doing the needful, still taking pictures. Thank you, ma'am. Children merrily waving out. Next in line are students of KG2B coming up with their class teacher, Miss Anita Umesh. Children walking smartly, efficiently, being helped by teachers Miss Gladys and Miss Merlin. The students assuming their positions, our little graduates. Our little children very, very excited today. A day we've all been waiting for. Kindergarten graduation, a small step as they embark on a long journey of learning. We wish you all the best, children, in whatever you set out to do. These are our wishes for you. May you always be victorious. The children standing proudly, holding their certificates. A photographer taking the pictures. Our children smiling smartly. These make memories, parents, these moments. Thank you, Anita, ma'am. Waiting patiently in the wings, KG2C with their class teacher, Miss Maureen. Happy and cheerful. Here come our little students of KG2C, merrily walking and assuming their positions. Principal ma'am once again patiently handing over the certificates to these deserving children. Our children's faces beaming with joy and pride. Shining, smiling. May you always be successful in whatever you set out to do, dear children. These are our wishes for you. It's been a wonderful year where we have learned so much from you. May you have many more such wonderful journeys. May each of your journey be blessed. A photographer has a very, very heavy task on hand. He's trying to take the best pictures. Please bear with us, dear parents. We wouldn't want our children to be missed out on any of the pictures. A very, very profound moment today. A very, very beautiful day. The teacher stands proud, and so do the children. Thank you, ma'am. Students of KG to C taking your leave, but will be back shortly with many more surprises. Last but not the least, KG to D being led by their class teacher, Miss Smita Roy. Students assuming their positions again. Once again, Principal Ma'am giving the certificates to our deserving kindergarteners. May you always smile, dear children. May you always smile, may you always shine. You deserve all the happiness in this world. It's been wonderful having you with us. We will cherish every moment. A task well done. Well done, children. A proud moment once again for KG to D, teacher, parents, principal. Let's hear it for the students of KG to D once again, dear parents. Thank you, children. You've done us proud indeed. Thank you, ma'am. The kindergarten world is always about magic. Something wonderful is always about to happen, as you are about to witness today. Yes, we have our very own batch of KG1 prince and princesses who have prepared something wonderful for you. Something magical that is simply going to hold you spellbound. A mesmerizing performance by our little KG1 students who've prepared a dance performance for their KG2 students. Here come our little fairies taking their positions.